Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your product thumbnail data into our storage and also how to store it into our database. In the database, we are stored that product thumbnail data as in the date format for not repeating or overwriting any file in the any cases. So how can you do that and how to change the file name in the date format? Let's see in the next video. So I'm going to my backend code and just copy this file name, which is the product underscore thumbnail. I just copied this and going back to the product underscore action.php file, and I just print my dollar underscore files data. So I just print underscore and that my files. Sorry, I forgot to put the dollar underscore files, and I put the die for the rest up to now. And let's see, like dummy title. I choose the category, brand, and some regular price, and I just choose this another like the thumbnail. Okay, sorry, uh taste, and this is again the taste. When I click on the save, now when we see, as you can see, we have the product thumbnail, and we have some parameters which is related to the product underscore thumbnail, which is the name, full path, type, and temporary name, error, and size. So how can you define that into a variable, and how can you store? Let's see. So I just remove this line and take a file name first. Okay, so I just type file underscore name and underscore files, and I put the file name, and I want to take the name of this file, so I just put the file. Now it's time to take the temporary file name, so I just copy the same line and I change the variable name, which is the tmp underscore file name, and I just take this tmp underscore name. Okay, now I'm also going to take the extension name also. So file underscore extension underscore name. Okay, now I'm using a path info, is a inbuilt function of the PHP. So I just type the path info, and now let's see what kind of the parameters we need. First of all, we need the path, like the file name, and the flags, like what kind of the data we want to take from the file. Like if you type the path info all, it's take the all of them data. So for the more details, you can also click on this, like the function .pathinfo.php URL. So I'm just copy this file name as a first parameter, and for the second parameter, I choose the file path info underscore extension for take the extension name. Now our next target is to change the file name also. Okay, so I take another variable name, like the new file name. Yeah, I think it should be okay. Okay, and I want in a date format, so I choose the year, month, date, and also yeah, hours, months, and minutes and seconds. Yeah, all is good. Now I put a dot for the differentiate with the extension name, so I concatenate with the dot. I use this for the concatenation, and now I just put this file extension name after this file name. Okay, so if I just echo this variable name and I put this die again, what will be happen? Let's see. When I click on this replace HR, as you can see in the response, our new file name will be just like this. This is our year, this is our month, this is our time, and this is our the date, and this is our time as like this. Okay, so I just remove this line. I need to set a target directory, so I just take a target underscore directory, and I want to store that all my images in the root folder. So I create a folder in the root, which is the uploads, and in uploads folder I take a folder name which is products. Okay, now I just set the path with the one folder back, 1 2, yeah, okay. So I just move back to the two folders. So I take the two dots forward slash, and after that uploads slash products. Yeah, now I'm moving my file to the another this folder. So I just use the inbuilt function of the PHP move underscore uploaded underscore file, and we just need to put two parameters, which is the from and the to. So we just want a two parameters, which is the, so as for the from I choose this temporary file name. So I just paste it over here. Now I need a target file name with like the target file. So yeah, I just take another variable target underscore file. Target underscore file equals to target underscore directory, because I want a full path. Sorry, and yeah, okay. I need to concatenate, so dot forward slash dot, and that after that yeah, I choose this new file name. So as a second parameter I choose this target underscore file variable. Okay, now I also want to, after that moving to the that file into a folder, I want to store that into a database. So if I just set a if condition, like the if this is available, sorry, then I store into a product underscore thumbnail column. So this, and choose the column name. What is the column name? This is the product underscore thumbnail. So I just write my product underscore thumbnail, and just type this new underscore file name, because I don't want to set the path into our database also. I gave it manually. Okay, now let's see. Now click on the save. We got a status 1. Now let's check. As you can see, here is our dummy title, and here is our thumbnail data. Now, and let's check into our folder. So as you can see, yeah, here we go, we have this file into our upload slash products folder. Okay, so I hope you can understand how can you store our product thumbnail data into our database, and also store how to store in the storage folder.